Hey there, beautiful souls! Today, I'm going to show you how to make your very own aloe vera hair oil that promises to boost hair growth and give you those long, luscious locks you've always dreamed of. Trust me, it's super easy and so worth it. First things first, let's talk about the star of the show, aloe vera. This magical plant is packed with vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that not only soothe your scalp but also promote hair growth. Plus, it's great for reducing dandruff and giving your hair a natural shine. Alright, let's dive into the recipe. You'll need just a few simple ingredients. An aloe vera leaf, your favorite carrier oil. I recommend coconut oil for its deep conditioning properties, and a few drops of essential oil if you want to add some extra goodness. Start by cutting the aloe vera leaf in half and scooping out the gel with a spoon. You'll need about 2 tablespoons of this gooey wonder. Next, blend the gel until it's smooth. This will make it easier to mix with the oil. Now in a small saucepan, heat half a cup of coconut oil on low. Once it's warm, not hot, add the blended aloe vera gel. Stir it gently until the gel and oil are well combined. This should only take a couple of minutes. For an extra boost, add a few drops of essential oil. Lavender for relaxation, rosemary for hair growth, or peppermint for a refreshing tingle. Stir it all together and then let the mixture cool down. Once it's cooled, transfer your homemade aloe vera hair oil into a clean bottle. And voila! You've got yourself a natural, nourishing hair oil. Now how do you use it? Easy. Massage a generous amount into your scalp and along the lengths of your hair. Leave it on for at least an hour or even overnight for a deep treatment. Wash it out with a gentle shampoo and you'll feel the difference immediately. Using this oil once or twice a week can do wonders for your hair growth. Not only will it strengthen your hair, but it will also keep it soft, shiny, and healthy. So, give this DIY aloe vera hair oil a try and let me know how it worked for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome hair care tips. Until next time, stay gorgeous. Bye.